Just days now left for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to begin his maiden visit to the US, and the world watches on to witness the unfolding of the events that when Modi will be in America. And just ahead of the meet, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar is speaking exclusively to Times Now.
Lot of expectations out of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US. I'm joined by Information and Broadcasting Minister Mr. Prakash Javadekar here right in the middle of Times Square. Mr. Prakash Javadekar, high expectations from this visit of the Prime Minister to the US. Do you think this is just a vindication of the old standoff that was going on between the US and Mr. Narendra Modi, or do you think there is more in terms of a message?
Already US has now newly calibrated its stand, so the past is past. Now we are looking to the future. And today I am here not as Information Minister but as Environment Minister, because tomorrow is the Climate Summit and that I am attending on behalf of India. I am leading the delegation. I think the strategic relationship with US is very important for India, and India's and US ties are important for both the countries. And therefore, in a way, he will redefine, and the public enthusiasm, the UN General Assembly speech, which is very important because world is looking to our transformation of power as a generational thing. They are thinking this has happened for a longer time, and therefore they want to listen to the leader. And probably what we will...
But there is an element of personal vindication for Narendra Modi after the US has banned him, not given him a visa, now to be getting a red carpet reception. Isn't that a vindication?
Actually, there was no denial of visa because he had never applied. When nobody applies, how we can reject? So that's what I think that debate we did not go now. It is nothing of a personal kind. It's a nation's pride which is important.
That's important, but in any forum, multilateral forum like this one, there is always Pakistan that is present here. Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif is also going to address the UNGA, and there are expectations already that he will raise the Kashmir issue. Do you think no meeting between Nawaz Sharif and Modi actually shows the world that all is not well between India and Pakistan?
See, the position as far as India, Pakistan and their issues are concerned is very clear on our side. What world is really interested, and America is interested to know, the world also, that how much business opportunity they are getting into India, how India wants to progress faster, how they want to fast track projects, how they want to remove the hurdles, and how they want to make the feeling of doing business at ease. And that is the larger thing in which they are interested.
But also, neighbors cannot be changed is something that has been maintained even by Vajpayee ji. So the question is, between India and Pakistan, is there an expectation of thaw? And if Pakistan raises the Kashmir issue, what will India's stand be?
We have already a very nationally evolved consensus and a stated policy. I think that confirms our India's willingness to walk and India's firm stand on issues.
On forums like the environment, climate change, on WTO, India has begun to take a very, very tough position in climate change. Many a times India has been called the stumbling block. Will we continue to hold the very tough positions?
We will have our position which has arrived after much debate in the country. What we are saying that we are participating in the climate dialogue with more proactive role, our proactive actions. We have created Climate Fund. We have created a Himalayan initiative. We are cleaning our rivers. We are taking action against pollution. We are raising our norms we are making norms more stringent for the polluting industries. So all this put together means that India is acting. And when India is acting, the world is watching. And that's what we will give comfort to the world that yes, here is a country which is acting. But at the same time, we are firm on that the responsibilities are different, and different responsibilities will mean action on our part, but more action on developed world's part.
What's Modi's message to the US forum here going to be across to global Indians as well as global citizens?
Absolutely, because that is, I think, probably, I don't know the historical fact, but fact remains that he will be addressing the largest gathering, idea outside of US leader coming to US and addressing the huge rally, and on Times Square where we are now, right now, we will have more than 40,000 people here. 20,000 are already sold in Madison. So it will be a huge gathering. So next Sunday is All India Day here. And therefore, I think it will send the right message.